Hello? Now, if you're looking at weathering as a gradual breakdown of rocks into smaller particles or soil, one of the types of weathering we normally consider is the biological weathering. Now, mostly this is influenced by living things. Example, plants. Consider how the roots of this particular tree has gone into the cracks of this rock. Now, weathering is not a one-time event. It takes a very long time to occur. As you can see, this interaction between the tree and the rock eventually leads to the breakdown of this very rock into smaller tiny particles called weathering. Why? Between the tree and the rock, there is some movement and friction because the roots eventually, how does the root eventually go in? It is only by rubbing, moving through the tiny cracks. And once the roots eventually become very big, what happens? They break the rocks apart. And the cycle can continue for several generations. So this is one of the instances of biological weathering.